What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be installing my SSR wheels and also my Evo R carbon front lip again, because those of you guys know the Z is over here and I have RPF ones on it right now, and I took the carbon front lip off because I did have like a drift event and I didn't want to like mess up my front lip or anything. So we're going to reinstall this super easy. Like if you guys have watched the previous video, like it's literally uses the factory bolts and everything. So we're gonna be installing the front lip back, and then I have the SSRs. So these wheels actually came with the car, and they're SSR SP3s, and they're pretty nice. Like I like them. They're not like a lot my style, but they're like a neo chrome. So I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera or anything, but like in the light, it shimmers to different colors, which is pretty cool. But these wheels are actually for sale. So if any of you guys are interested, they're 5x114, 10.5 all around. And they have like brand new 275 tires all around too, so like they're pretty nice. As you guys can see probably too, like Kevin and I cleaned the garage, and like we have so much more space in here now because we had so much crap on the sides. Like there's still stuff on the sides, but we're getting rid of all these exhausts. So if any of you guys need a stock Genesis exhaust or stock 370 exhaust, this is all gonna go to the junkyard because we don't need it anymore. But all the tires are back here. And now we have so much space in here. Like we still have stuff that we need to take out, and it doesn't look like we have a lot of space, but we got like that rack back there. We have a new toolbox and everything, so super pumped about that. But let's just go ahead and put these wheels on the car. Now don't worry, we're gonna be doing a lot of content with the Miata. I know we haven't done too many videos with it, but there's a lot of stuff coming for that car. I have to order so many parts for it, but you can see like without a front lip on this car, it looks so weird. It like, I don't know, that front lip definitely completes the front end of this car, even with the stock bumper. I need to fix my headlights too because they're getting too foggy. They look like crap. But you guys know that I have the RPF ones on here. It's kind of like my daily tire, daily wheel and everything. I really like them. Anyway, let's go over there and get the car, get the wheels on. I just love the way this thing sounds, man. Like you can't get over that. It's literally just the Z1 single exit, but it sounds so good. I made like an oopsie drifting the car, but I had like wall tapped it. I was going a little bit too hard and I wall tapped the barrier at the drift event. But hey, I mean, what are you gonna do? Like, this is what I bought the car for. So I mean, a drift car, I can daily it. It's fantastic. Like, this car is awesome. So anyways, let's get the front lip and get those wheels on. Get one last look at her. She's kind of jacked up a little bit so you guys can see like how high it is. But what I'm gonna do is, I think every 350Z needs this. Is like, you need wheels. Definitely either like kind of like a 10.5 or 10 wide wheel. And then or you can get some like pretty baller wheels like the SSRs. But other than that, like you definitely need to lower your 350Z just to make it look super prime. Like wheels and lower it is absolutely just perfect. But I seriously need to get like an impact gun because I can't do this hand stuff anymore, and I cannot wait till I want to lift and everything because I'm so tired of having a jack now. Like, it sounds terrible, but like I'm over jacking up cars anymore. I want to lift so bad. But I'm sure a lot of you can resonate with me of like having hand tools over power tools. But just gonna loosen up these lugs, take these, hopefully we can beat the dark and everything because it's about to get dark here. So I want to finish this up and give you guys like a walk around of what it looks like, because I'm gonna lower the back here too, and then also maybe lower the front just a tad. I'm not too sure, but we'll see. We got one wheel loose. Take this guy off. We'll pop this one right here. Go ahead and lower the car super quick. That's the thing I like about coilovers. Definitely like newer coilovers too, is like you just gotta get your coilover wrench, pop it in here, loosen up this guy. There we go. And I'm gonna go down probably like 5 threads, I'd say. Which is probably, I'd say like a drop it like another ½ inch, maybe an inch. Yeah, so I went like another, I measured, it's probably not the best way to do it. Definitely probably wouldn't suggest doing this. I probably measure it out, but I usually just go by the threads. So I'm just doing 5 threads more. And like these coilovers are so new, you can just spin it, which is fantastic because it goes so much faster instead of using like the wrenches that they give you. But other than that, like this is so nice. So go about like 5 more threads down. and that should be pretty good. So the thing with these wheels is the offset is definitely a lot, like I think it's negative, more negative in the rear, and you can see that there's more of a dish on this one, so this is definitely the rear. And I haven't put these on in a while. These are so much more heavier than the RPF ones too, so. But dude, they look so good though. Hopefully that'll be enough camber. I might have to do some more camber in the back. Definitely have to get the car realigned, but I'm gonna get this one on, take that wheel off, and this is gonna be a repeat, so once I'm putting that on, I'll come back to you guys. So we got this one off, and then you can see like how the offset is a little bit different than like the rear. Rear has more of a lip. This is definitely like a higher offset than the rear, but it's gonna pop this on. And the cool thing is, I guess it's cool and bad, but these wheels wouldn't fit with a big brake kit, so it's good that I don't have a big brake kit. But I'm not gonna lower the front right now because it is a lot lower than the rear, but I'm gonna see how that rear looks now that I lowered it. My alignment is probably so off, but oh well. I'm hoping I can beat the dark. It's getting pretty dark pretty quick. Props to working a 9-to-5 job, but we're gonna go ahead and I got the 4 bolts. These are stock bolts, which is fantastic. We're gonna install this lip. I love this thing. It's so nice, so nice. Probably should wipe it off. Yeah, we're gonna wipe it off. I don't want to scratch my paint even more. All right, cool. Got a quick little wipe down on it. Probably not the best, but it'll do for now. Gonna pop it on. This thing doesn't take very long at all to pop on. It literally just like slips on, which is pretty sick. So like boom, 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 just sits up there. And other than that, like, ooh, it's pretty much on. And then the 2 bolts go on the side. So let's do it. All right, since we're running out of daylight, we'll have to go to parking deck to show like the final product, but I'm just gonna do like a quick little snap. It'll be like 1 second for you guys, and it'll be probably like 20 minutes for me, but here we go. Like I said, it was getting dark, so I had to show you guys the finished product, but we got the wheels on. It looks super good. I lowered the back, so like the fitment is pretty awesome. I might go a little bit lower, not too sure. The front is rubbing, so I'm probably gonna have to go with like a 265 or 255 because these are 275 all around, and you can see like it's so close to the fender right here, and I am rubbing up front. I was just talking with Kevin, and he was so right. It's rubbing still, so rip. And I think like it's probably popping the bumper, but I mean, look at this. It looks so good. Like I was saying, we got the front lip on now, and man, it looks good. Just want to show you guys like this with the 350Z. If you lower it, put some camber arms on it, and put tow arms, like, and you get some nice wheels. Like every 350Z literally just needs this, and a front lip. Even side skirts, I need some side skirts and probably rear diffuser. But let me show you like another angle of it. But like if you put a front lip, lower it, and get some wheels, like this is just the effect of like, it just makes the car look so good. And I can't get over it. Like probably like add some more camber, but whew, look at that. Ooh, it's so nice. It's definitely rubbing on this bolt right here probably, but the back is perfect. And the car is actually not out of alignment, which is fantastic. Like look at that. Ooh, that's pretty nice. I could probably run maybe a bigger tire, probably not, because I need to pull these if I run a bigger tire. It's a 275 like all around, but I don't know if you guys can see the shimmer on the wheels. Oh, that looks so good. But I'll definitely do some more videos like in the daylight and out in the sun, so you guys can see like the blue color, the merino blue of the car with these wheels. It's perfect. And this front lip just sets off the whole front of the car, which is amazing. Like I said, I need to fix those headlights because they suck. But overall, guys, lower your car, get some nice wheels, and get a front lip, and every 350Z I think needs that, and it will just set off the whole entire car. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. This basically looks like a short little video of me putting the other wheels on and putting the front lip back on. But if you guys liked it, definitely give a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys have any 350Zs. Comment down your Instagram, and I would love to see your guys' Zs and everything. But guys, we have something new coming to the channel. I'll just say that it has 2 wheels, and it'll probably be in the next 2 videos that you guys will see it. It's definitely something I've been wanting for a really long time. So definitely stay tuned for that. Definitely hit the notification button Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And as always, GPG, peace out, guys, and see you in the next one.